All right, now I'm on P142 of the Go Math homework. Let's get to it. Estella buys 1.8 pounds of walnuts for a total of $5.04. She solves the equation 1.8p equals 5.04 to find the price P in dollars of 1 pound of walnuts. What does 1 pound of walnuts cost? So we have to solve the equation. So the equation is 1.8p equals 5.04. This is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we need to divide both sides by 1.8. That gets rid of the 1.8, leaving you with just p on the left side. And then you have to divide 5.04 divided by 1.8. So to set that up, 1.8 into 5.04. Remember, we have to move our decimal over 1 on the outside to get rid of it. So we have to move our decimal over 1 on the inside as well. So this is going to end up being 50.4. And then now you can bring your decimal straight up, and I'll let you do that division, 18 into 50.4, to find out what p equals. All right, number 2. Gabriel wants to solve the equation 5/8 m equals 25. What step should he do to get m by itself on one side of the equation? So this is multiplication, so he needs to divide 5/8 m by 5/8, because that will get rid of that 5/8, leaving him with just m. And that's all they want us to do on that one. They didn't ask us to solve. Okay, number 3. At a top speed, a coyote can run at a speed of 44 miles per hour. If a coyote could maintain its top speed, how far could it run in 15 minutes? Okay. So let's see. For this one, we need, sorry about that. Distance equals rate times time. We know the rate, 44. We know the time, 15. But we can't do 44 because that's per hour and we have minutes. So 15 is what fraction of 60 if we simplify? So that's going to be 1, and 15 goes into 60, 4 times. So we want 1/4 of this. 1/4 of an hour. 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour. Since our rate is in miles per hour, we had to change our time, 15 minutes, into a fraction of an hour. So 44 times 1/4, and that gives us, we can put the 1 underneath, 44 over 4, and then we can also simplify that out. 4 goes into the top and the bottom, so we have 11 over 1, so our distance is 11 miles. Okay, and again, I'm sure there's other ways to solve that. That's just the way I chose to solve it. Okay. All right, number 4. An online store sells DVDs for $10 each. The shipping charge for an entire order is $5.50. Frank orders D DVDs, so we don't know how many DVDs he orders. Write an expression that represents the total cost. So it's $10 for each, or $10 times the number of DVDs, D. And then the shipping, so plus the shipping, $5.50. So there's our expression. It didn't ask us to solve. So we move on. A ring costs 27 more than a pair of earrings. The ring costs 90. Write an equation that can be used to find the cost C dollars for the earrings. Okay, the ring costs 90. And then there's a few ways you can do this. 90 minus 27 is going to tell you the cost of the earrings. We could also do, let's see, C plus 27 equals 90. That would be another equation that would work. All right, and number C, 3S equals 21 can be used to find the number of students in each van on a field trip. How many students are in each van? Well, this is 3 times S equals 21, so we have to divide both sides by 3. That's going to give you S on the left side, and then 21 divided by 3 will help tell you how many students. And I'll let you go ahead and finish that on your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.